you guys, my plate is ready. And you guys saw that. Okay. My sweet taco. And that's my lime. And if you want to see what kind of sauce this is, I think this is the Cantina, the the habanero. Yeah, that's the red. But if you want to see the name brand, just keep watching this video. Easy dinner. I guarantee. And then I roast my pepper. Easy how they roast pepper. But like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Share with your friends and family to show them what's cooking on my cooking channel. And if this your first time watching my cooking channel, share with your friends and family as well. Like, comment below. If you have any question, thumb this video up. Subscribe if you don't mind. I really appreciate it. And if this your first time watching my cooking channel, share with your friends and family as well. Like, comment below. Again, subscribe if you don't mind. Really appreciate it. And you guys already subscribed to my cooking channel. I want to thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. God bless. And if you want to see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel, just make sure you guys keep your notification bell on, and you will see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel. And by that being said, you guys have a blessed day and be safe. Till then, I will see you guys in the next upload video. Alrighty. Take a full screenshot of it. And that's what I'm drinking on, guys. So what I'm gonna do, you guys, I put some in this, put it some right here. Put the red sauce right here. And that's how it is. Okay, you guys get that first bite. And I think I waited too long. I can't pick this up, but there you guys go. Hope you guys inspired this. Hope you guys make it my way, easy and simple. Yes. Until then, I'll see you guys in the next upload video. But if you want to see how I make my street taco, just keep watching this video. Okay? Bye-bye. Oh, and I forgot to squeeze some lime on it. I know. You guys get the picture. But yeah, there you go. Just kind of squeeze some. All right, I'm gone. Okay, you guys. So I have to come back. You can eat this with chip as well. Yeah, I don't down two of the tacos. But let me taste this to see how this tastes with the sauce. I think it might taste good. There you guys go. Get that bite. That's how they do it at the restaurant. See, I'm about finished with that. That's why you see this crumb. But that's the name of it. I said, I may as well just finish it off. All right, and guys, you guys can cook this. You don't really have to cook this on Taco Tuesday. You could cook it any days of the week. You could cook it on Tuesday. You could cook on, some people say Taco Thursday. But yeah, it all depends on how, what you craving for during the week. Yes, yes, yes. Yep. I don't squeeze one little lemon. All right. I just want to come back to show you guys that. Boy, I'm almost finished with this one. All right. Okay. All right. See you guys in the next episode. I promise I'm gone until you just watch if you want to see how I make this. Okay. All right. Bye bye. Guys, are welcome back. Hello, you guys, are welcome back to my cooking channel. You know, you guys, for dinner, I'm making some street taco, and let me show you how easy these street taco is, especially if you don't want to, do your beef and stuff. I'm gonna show you the ingredient where this is so easy and simple. I guarantee. Sometimes, if you want the little small the little corn, white corn tortilla, you could get this side. It's the minute. Or if you want a bigger one, you can also get this one. See? This is the bigger size. But I'm probably going to use the bigger size because these right here is most of what the taco truck. You see how small it is? And it's the same tortilla. It's just a little smaller. That's why they say street taco. This right here, if you can see, white corn tortilla, the same thing, just a little bigger. Now, the meat that I'm using, you guys, like I said, this is so simple. You can buy this at your local grocery store. It's already cooked. It's slow cooked, and you could do it on top of the stove, or you can do it in the microwave. And that's what it is. Okay, you guys, you see? And this is my street beef tacos. Now, you have to have some kind of sauce with it. I'm gonna try it. This is my first time even trying this out, but this is what this called. It's the habanero. See? And it's probably gonna be good, but that's the name brand. Okay, and then I had this before, you guys, the fire sausage, but I'm gonna see which one. I know this is good because I brought this before. Okay, and that's how it look. So I'm gonna put in this right here. I like to say these right here, these little cup, to put my sauce and stuff in. Okay, so yeah. Now, only thing that require for street taco is cilantro, lime, and white onion. These only ingredients. Now, say if you don't want to use like this kind of meat, they got different kind of meat that you could use. They even got this right here, the seasoned pork cantina. That's how they say. But you could use this as well. So this showing you different meat that you could use so you won't, you know, be so stressed out in the kitchens. And you want some quick tacos. Now this is okay, but more is pulled pork, but more like I like to use this, you know, when I'm making barbecue pulled pork, and you just add your own barbecue sauce. Okay, so this is my ingredient. I'm telling you guys, you subscribe to my channel, I guarantee you won't be disappointed. You find some quick recipe idea, something real quick and easy, I guarantee. So again, if you want to pause this video, this is my sweet taco. Okay, and that's the name brand that I'm using, and it's already in the microwave. It's heating up, and this is the two sauces that I'm using. You could get these two sauces in your local grocery store. Yes, you can. Well, I know in my grocery store you could get it. And I cut up me some fresh, this is fresh, cilantro and fresh onion along with a lime. And again, this is the corn tortilla I'm using. I'm using the bigger side, not the sweet side. Okay, so now I will see you guys when I put everything together. And when I put everything together, I love this right here. This right here, this container, this is where my taco's gonna come. And this container, it will keep your food warm. So you will see that container in my ingredient. Okay? So I see you guys in the next clip. And again, this is my ingredient. Okay, you guys, so this is how it look when it come out the microwave, the beef. Okay, I'm going to open it up. Okay, so this is how it look when I open the bag. Okay, you guys, so they show this little skipping on the beef. So that's why I had to shred it up. Yes, very skippy. But that, oh my God, that is, y'all need to buy this. It is really flavorful, really nice. And that's the name of it. Slow cooked beef with chili and tomato sauce. It's really good, you guys, I guarantee. Yes. Easy dinner. Easy recipe, I guarantee. Okay, first I'm going to show you guys the first, you know, how to put it all together. So you put your beef first, and then you put the onion. See, you put the onion on top of the beef, and then the last ingredient is you put your cilantro. This right here, and that's how you make the tacos. Very simple and easy, I guarantee. Sorry about that. Okay, so then you put the cilantro. Now I'm gonna go ahead and finish my other two, and I will see you guys. Everything is ready. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my other two, and I'll see you guys in the next clip. Okay. Guys, I forgot to show you guys this. I roasted me some pepper. See, I forgot to show you guys this. To eat it with my tacos. Okay, and this what kind of oil I use with garlic powder and salt and little black pepper. Yeah, just want to show you guys that. Okay, that's how I look.